scholarship. Emma refused to take his own scholarship.
Nah, lie.
We were begging him, begging. Emma refused to take his own scholarship.
Emma, a lie.
You think it's a joke?
This thing where she talking on a lie. Emma, no be at the talk to. Where's it happen why you no collect scholarship when they give it for school?
Mama, no be you take to make another take something for stranger.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, I would like you guys to stick to the very end because trust me, I've got the very best of compilations for you guys, the best you've ever seen. So make sure to stick to the very end, drop nice comments, and if you're yet to subscribe, please make sure to subscribe. So don't play, let's go have some fun.
Baby, please, can you turn on the light?
Lights no day now.
No day on now. I mean, what make I tell God me have son?
I like it when there is blue light, red light.
I bet like that more do this thing. What's happened now? The toto they smell.
Hey.
Now why they bleed?
Don't die, my friend.
Infection. Infection?
Yes.
And I get product wey you fit use. This one na infection herbal tea. This one na infection herbal drink from King's Affair. They cure all kinds of infection, syphilis, gonorrhea, yeast infection, and many more. It is 100% herbal and it is NAFDAC approved. Alright.
Don't play.
You never pay me.
Baby, come inside now.
Precious!
Man, begin now.
Pikin even get infection, so that means I don't need pay now.
Hold up.
Next time my pikin get that infection, you go still pay me. But charity begins from home.
No be honest. You want to pay?
Where are you going to dress like this?
I'm going to a house party with my friends. Don't worry, I'll be back this night.
Like this?
Babe, like how?
Kilo.
I mean, what is wrong with what I'm putting on?
Ah, babe, even your mom that's a role model will not dress like this.
My mom is not my role model.
Who's not a role model?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh!
Cardi B. No be Cardi B with that.
Hey, babe, do you know what? When you want to dress like a role model, we'll go out together, but now, let me style you. Come.
Some people don't know me.
Babe, I don't like this thing you're doing.
A few moments later.
Wait a minute.
That's my girl.
Who are you?
You put a picture for there.
You know.
Yes.
My boyfriend.
Babe, I love you.
Who you love?
Say you love me now.
Okay, what?
And now you sabi. Bye.
Main prices on one is but only for betting on series.
No be only. How many girls go agree to they do that now? Like they will wear a clothes with a picture of their boyfriend on it. Like how many girls? This current Gen Z girls. I doubt there's any girl that would want to do that. Unless now one big guy like that will get money. But other than that. Shaggy, I don't see him logo.
Shaggy, where have you been now?
Where have I been? You know, you see as you car they sound, now legit that day like this. This car, person want sell am. I'm from Zamfara, I drive and come Lagos.
Zamfara.
Wallahi, she big.
Hope the papers are complete, oh.
I can't come make I show you engine. You don't pay the paper. Paper visible. You don't see the engine. Yes. I can't show you the boot.
Oh, why they push out like this?
Yeah. Oh no. I got me.
Yes.
So now the boots with this 2-bedroom apartment, see as it be. Okay. Now this car get out for the whole of Lagos. And today that is if you offload your problem inside.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Just put your account number.
You love your gun.
You don't carry battery go.
It's a pity for you.
Set.
We not doing it. Thief. Yeah. What you want?
Shaggy, where are you going to?
You never say anything. You shall be saying where me going to. I dey go see another customer. I get customer I want to buy Rolls Royce for Ikoyi. Today drive.
I have to test the car that I paid for now.
Test which car? You know there when I drive the car enter. Okay, no waste my time. I get come.
Hey!
Wait.
Oga.
Hey, wait.
If it is okay for you, then you are okay.
Oh, guy, come down. Me, I won't go carry another customer.
Hey. And you don't go carry battery.
Officer. Yes. The car no start. Oh.
Hey.
No start. Oya, you. Come down.
Now plan work. Now plan work.
When I start, now me drive the car for me. Oga, I know that this is where you do.
You don't carry the battery now. Plan work.
Where the battery? No battery.
Yes, Oga police, make I explain what happen. This car no dey use battery. Now Tesla model. Now the first Tesla model wey they do. I see that the reason why it no start now because the battery no do. Yeah. If they charge am now, you go start.
Where the battery there?
I mean, listen to yourself. Battery when they use car when they use battery. How car when they use battery, the battery go low? You think I don't know you? You that scam my brother 3 months ago at Yaba.
Hey, come. No start that one. Now they call me to which one says scam me scam.
Hey, shut up there. Yeah. Look this video.
So now you come out battery for this motor. Now you come out, you be thief.
Kai.
Shut up your dirty thing.
Now plan.
I know they quarter for me, they don't catch us. Oga, where na police station? Yes! Now get this.
Even Agkaay bread did.
You did.
About that arrest.
Guys, you see what your mouth cannot talk.
I'm under arrest, Mumu.
Hello.
Hi.
Wow. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. What's your name?
I'm Kati.
Cathy. Oh, that's like the daughter of a cat.
You're so funny.
Okay, actually, I just came into Africa.
Wow.
Yes, I just came into Africa. I was trying to do some kind of development projects. You know, as the former brand manager of Julius Berger.
Wow. You?
Yeah.
You can't lie.
So I just said I should come and see what I could do in order to take Africa to the next level.
You don't mean it.
Yes. So I think I have a call. That's the president of Uganda.
President of Uganda?
Yeah, he's calling me. Yeah, he wants to sell the country.
Okay.
Hey.
Yeah, hello. His Excellency, how are you, sir?
Uganda, what
nice
is
to meet you. No, I told you I cannot buy Uganda for now because of, it's a small country. Except you wait for me when I come to Gulu on the 4th. I'll be in Arua on the 5th. And I will head to Adjumani on the 8th. Maybe I could, do some kind of censorship around the country to know the country is well.
This guy did lie, I swear.
Yeah. No problem. I will see what I can do. Yeah. Come. Yeah. No problem. Yes. No problem. Okay. Yeah. So let me have your number so that we could,
Mama, make you call this Brodda into two. We don't press him. Nothing agree, Mama. Mama, make you use your scissor. Help us cut him.
If I no laugh, I go cry. So it's better I laugh, even if I have to force it.
Papa, do fast, though. So I go come and call Brodda.
Yeah, so sorry for the hiccup, So how do we do the...
Okay. They don't slap you this week.
No, it was last week.
Hey! What have I done myself?
Hey! This small pikin like to the spoil show for you.
Plug. Load it. What's your bag? Give me can answer. Come on.
And a bag or cup? Now that bag would be okay. Bag now 200k, baba. Cash or transfer?
No mind, Gary. Give us
Give us half bag then. Half now 100k. Take care now, you want pay? Lack of money, bro. Lack of anything. Give us half of half bag then. Half of half bag? Now 50k. Give us cup. Cup now 30k, baba. Give us this one.
Fish now 50k. Take care, you know these things now. I could know Olori because just sorry.
Why my man there? So punish. Why don't my flop plate come they shock me? Go punish you.
Oh, Benny, to go astray don't cost to.
To go astray don't cost. To smoke go astray.
Without the tea package be that one. I give you money, sir. If you just work out the company, if you say thank you for this hard economy. Thank you, that's small money.
I don't understand. Go on punish you. I've been saw your brain come off here. Don't be thanking what I borrowed you last year, 24th night of December.
Man, I bet no vest. Don't forget say borrow me the money. No vest.
Let's say the mentor. Cause you know they forget like that for you. Because I borrow you the money for wash night. Your memory can't they wash. No way till they do. No way till they do.
I don't want trouble.
Holy center, money to the
It's okay. Money will I borrow you. One minute they still they tell you thank you.
Mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ mi lóde jáde síta. Ṣé wọ́n kọ́ mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ ni? Gbogbo abọ́ tó wà nílé mi mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ fọ́ àbí.
See that plate, I don't feel the wash am again. Mo ti dàgbà now. I'm on my 20s. I can do anything I want.
My 20 can do anything you want. Èmi mama fa bọ́ nílé fún ẹ. Àbọ̀rọ̀ wo ló ń sọ lẹ́nu?
Mommy ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, ìwọ náà sọ̀rọ̀. Èwo ṣìwọ ni ẹ?
Àbí o.
Ọmọ wèrè ni ẹ.
Ṣé ẹ̀dá wèrè? Ṣebí mo bímọ wèrè.
Tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ ni ìwọ ló ṣì ní máa.
Ọ̀ ìgbẹ́nu sọ, ṣẹlẹ̀ yóò ṣàgbà rẹ ni.
Èwo tí mo sọ ni kí mo lè bẹ́ẹ̀ lè sọ̀rọ̀ ni ìwọ ọmọ olúgo yìí.
Jesus.
Àbí sẹ́mi ni mo bímọ núgò. Bó o bá gbé owó ẹ̀ kúrò ní ẹgbẹ́ mi tí bá fọ́ etí ẹ̀.
Ọmọ tó yẹ kẹ́ ti fún gbà títí pẹ́.
Èmi náà mọ̀ pé ó yẹ kí n ti fún gbà. Ó yá wọlé lọ́kọ̀ lọ́kọ̀ abọ́ fún mi.
Run, no.
Six slap.
I could have killed a lot.
Bad boy. This guy and this in a shower walk. You and this is a shower walk.
Let the poor think about their motherfucking life. They say at the end of every dark tunnel, there's a light at the end.
Hard down.
You don't get high fever, I think.
This foolishness you are displaying does not look good on you. You know me before.
Madam.
Yes?
You sure say no need to for this night?
No, I don't need it. Thank you.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
If I'm told me to pay for my drink now.
You are bad guy.
Alright. Call me your account.
7079.
Done.
Thank you. In case you change your mind, just add 0, join the number I give you. Now my phone number be that. Just call me.
You see this one quite different like different work. You just say you go fit do one.
I be your brain they shake. This kind of nonsense talk you don't. I carry this thing for nothing. Yeah? You know no start 45. Come bring yourself here. Bring out the person more eliminate. Butter. Now this person want my.
Come, you go fit do one. If you know say no fit do one, I make you give me the picture now.
Hey, number one. Where you? You don't bring the picture. Number one, see we bring.
That's how I die, you.
Now number one, you want me to help you buy. You want me in boys to help you buy their number one. You don't get sense ever.
What's the name of that app you're using to receive money from the US? Lemfi. Lemfi? Lemfi is the easiest and most reliable app to send money from the US, UK, and Canada to Africa. I heard their rates are very, very good. In fact, they're the best. So where can I download this Lemfi? So on your phone Play Store, either your Apple phone or your Android, you can just go to the Play Store and download Lemfi.
See, and the first time that you are sending money, if you send more than $100 the first time, you are going to get a cashback of $30. They will give you if you use the reference code MAC.
That's very correct. Thank you very much. I'm going to tell my brother in the US to send me money through Lemfi.
Okay, do you have...
Bros, you've not given me money. The bill is 5,000 now.
Okay. You match my money, Abi?
Who, please?
You're matching my 5,000, Abi. He'll pay you. It's 5,000 you're matching, Abi.
Okay, come on, like for money, pay me my money.
Hey! Now 500 is the match.
Okay, it's 1,000 naira that I match. Not 5,000.
What do you mean by 1,000 naira you're matching? But that man said you are matching 5,000 and you accepted that you're matching the 5,000 naira.
I said, yeah, when I match it. Is it not 1,000 naira that I match? Hey!
You don't enter Wahala. Mumu, you don't enter problem. Just like that.
Do me. Take it. Put this one first.
Now, wow. So what is this for?
Condom.
What do you mean, what is this for? Were you not the one that told me last week that if I give you 1 million naira, you are going to work for it?
Ha! So I don't mean this type of work, oh. I mean I can do your domestic chores, wash your clothes, clean the house, and domestic work in the house. No, I don't mean this type of work, sir.
Let's say what this one. Who will be this one?
It's like you're pranking me, Abby. Come on, open your leg.
Sir, I'm not pranking
Open your
you.
leg.
I mean it. I will do domestic chores, wash the plates, sweep the house, mop the house, but not this kind of work, oh.
Come up on road.
You are serious?
Yes, sir.
Not this type of work. And you want to work for the money?
Yes, sir.
Now, wow. Some people too do.
Alexa, turn off the lights. She said, I play. Alexa, turn on the lights.
His Excellency.
Alexa, go and wash the toilets.
Sir, well, Alexa doesn't wash toilets now.
Bia, are you okay? You see that will tell me what Alexa is to do. When I was giving you the 1 million naira, is that how you have to spend it? Come, take your time. Alexa,
she don't tell Alexa.
Go and wash the toilet. I'm not good here.
She don't tell Alexa.
It's you, your money will do. It's you. It's you. It's you that your mom. It's you.
Yeah, these children, what did happen? Eh? What did happen?
Mama, see you. People come to school today.
Uh-huh.
They tell say they're from Major League. They are the best in trading Bitcoin and gift cards.
So, what is going to happen?
Ma, they picked 4 people. Me, Emma, and 2 other persons.
Let's have it.
So, they gave us scholarship. Emma refused to take his own scholarship.
That lie.
We were begging him, begging. Emma refused to take his own scholarship.
Iman a lie.
You think it's a joke?
This thing where she talking on a lie. Iman no be at the talk to. Where's the help why you not collect scholarship and then give it for school?
Mama no be take to make another take something for stranger. Yesterday they give me rice and turkey. You tell them I cannot take. You got one.
Hey.
This evening you will die.
Ma, and the scholarship is from primary to university.
Hey!
Your son just missed an opportunity.
My fellow woman, I don't die.
Yeah, you don't spoil. Your mama need a training wheel. Go take something for strangers. Sorry, man. See me. See Wala.
70 years old man.
This man don't get sense. Oh man. Like I don't understand. Where they from bring this small boy up? Like I'm trying to like understand. Okay, because your mom said you should not be taking things from strangers. Like now give you scholarship. You said no, you don't want to take it. but come to think of it now, like who is actually at fault now? Who is at fault? Like let's think of it. Let's reason it. Who is at fault? Is it a mom that is at fault or a man that does not have sense? Just drop it in the comment section, because if you got to think of it, this is a stranger giving a man a scholarship. You understand? Now he said, my mom said, don't take anything from me. You understand? Don't take anything from strangers. So I think Ima is right at the same time. But come to think of it, when you are giving a child a scholarship, a child like that, not be only the child you will give scholarship now, the parents or the guidance needs to be there. You understand? You have to invite the parents or the guardian of the pupil in order to facilitate the scholarship now. So I think this is where they got it wrong. But anyway, the thing funny, the thing funny. That's more boy, you might know the year what. But anyways, thanks for sticking to the very end, because I told you guys that almost na confirm, na bangers that they bring for here. You understand? So what's your thoughts on this particular video? Drop it in the comment section, and check out my other videos. You know, I told you I have so many videos on my channel. Check them out. You feel me? Check them out. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, guys. Peace and love.